Leaders belonging to traditional religion Niamtre today expressed displeasure over the posturing attitude of the people of the Niamtre community who left the original religion to prevent the construction of an electric crematorium at Minso B village in Jaintia Hills district. Addressing the media, one of the leaders of Niamtre said, in the recent years, the state government has supported the setting up of eco-friendly crematorium for honorable disposing of the dead bodies. And contrary to this, some people, because they do not belong to the traditional religion, they are trying to deny people of Niamtre to perform the crematory rites because they have become the majority. He said, according to Niamtre, the departed soul returns to God through fire, and this is done when the body is cremated. He said such acts preventing establishment crematoria is not acceptable because it is a fundamental right to practice one's religion.
Jaintia Hills ki sain raj hakaleng ki jaka jong Jaintia Hills ki don la ka jong ka jaka thang na do ki por man berim ba ki nong bo nong thau ki la bo ka jaka ba kentang ban lek phai sho boleh trai kan ra te ka jing ye kan do jing nge jong ni pat Jaintia Hills kalong ha ki nong yalam Shillong ki ba la don sakawai pat ka jingat kila long majority maki ha kata ka Shillong anda ngi khon ki riat ki jongi ki yo ya ka scheme manswa ka karsan ka ne ka forest department da ka ba borom ba kan mau ya ka teng jong ma kambel sulai bala bam kwa hadwaru belai mara ka jing posiau yong jong belai try kan rat wan ra ya ka ne ka eco friendly crematorium sakapathai ka ba yarap yangi ki khon Niamtre niam kasi hakaleng ki jaka. Wat ka government ro kala phai din sangi kala don kata ka jeng kite kula ha padeng ka forest department bat ka mek sainda juai ka balong ka try jong kane ka crematorium ka pemerintah lang ba ka peten ka bang ila deple na do usnem arjar khatlai. Te ka government kala karsan ban sna ya kini kijeng sna ki bakodor namar ba kane ka jingtay kayarap yangi ya kapor kayarap ro ya kane ka ong kabangi ong ka pollution free kayarap ro ya ka jinglot namar ba ha kini ki rukom thang jongi ki man berim kidang ye tho general secretary mane ni padan kam de ki pasor mo nang padan kam de ki deng se handre man tapat ha kane ka teknologi ka menta ngin ka jenglot kan dewa tang lai spak ban pan kam ya ka deng ka ba siput ka jingjerong ban pendep ya ka met yak yok jong no ne ka no ki bala dai ban dek phai so blai